everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today we are going to make beautiful macrame designs. Here we are going to use white and brown color of thread, put it on the top of the hanging like this and tie a knot. After this we are going to make 4 to 5 these holes and remove the end of the thread through the hole. Pull it tightly and you will get this beautiful design. We are going to make beautiful design using these macrame threads. Here we are going to use different color shades of pink. You can take one simple color as well. Here you can crisscross these threads. Look how we are doing here, whole threads using your both hands, and we are going to twist the threads and overlap them. We are going to cross them from the sides. Look how we are doing here, and look, it's ready. You can make more such designs. These are perfect for different macrame designs, so you can try them at your home as well. Here we are going to make this beautiful design using threads. You can take macrame threads or normal as well. Here we are going to take these two different color of brown and white. Now we are going to hold the brown one and make a loop using the white one and remove both ends of the brown thread through the hole and pull it tightly. You will get this beautiful design at the end. We are taking this pink color of thread, and look how easily you can learn to make it at home. We are going to tie a knot like this, pull it tightly from both ends, and you will get this beautiful heart-shaped design. Here we are going to use this white color of macrame thread and tie a knot. Here we are going to make a beautiful design on the top of this keychain. Here we are going to hold both the threads on its sides and make this beautiful knot. Repeat the same process over and over again. You can twist it like this and it's done. We are taking here pink color of macrame thread, but you can also take normal thread. You can get it from market. Here we are going to take 4 strands of thread and tie knot at the top of the white color of knot, and you will get 8 loose ends. Now we are going to take 4 strands at one time. Look how we are taking here 4 from the corner, then we are going to take 4 strands at the center. Look like this and tie knot like we are doing here. Pull it tightly. Then we are going to take other 4 strands from the other corner, and similar way repeat the same process over and over again, and look, it's ready. Using this method you can make beautiful bags like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.